Namaste everyone. This is Suresh Desai. I am son of Mr. Suresh Desai. Today we will know what is hortipuncture treatment, the benefits of hortipuncture treatment and the procedure. Okay. First one, what is hortipuncture treatment? Hortipuncture treatment is nothing but it's a treatment which will do to the trunk of any fruit tree. Before that, we will understand what is hortipuncture. The word involves two words, that is horticulture, which is related to all fruit trees, and puncture is nothing but we have to insert medicated bullet into the trunk of this fruit tree. Okay. So what it gives? It gives all essential micronutrients. Okay. Especially a tree needed 16 essential elements. Out of 16, it will take some from air, that is in gaseous form, and others it will uptake from soil. Okay. So lack of these essential elements, which will call micronutrients, what happen? We will see lot of disease, fungus, they will attack on tree during the time of flowering, fruiting. Because of that, sometime this will see fruit falling and non-flowering, or some kind of fungus attack to these trees. Okay. So to overcome these kind of problems, we treated trees with the help of this hortipuncture bullet. Okay. And also it benefits in the form of fruits, that is, we will get 20 to 30% more yield than regular what we are getting from these fruit trees. Along with that, we will get these fruits before the season. For example, if we getting fruits in the month of April or May, we will get these fruit in the month of February or March. Okay. And as we observed in coconut tree, the taste of that coconut water is also changed because of this hortipuncture treatment. And also we seen that we stop that fruit falling in coconut trees. Likewise, lot of benefits we experienced because of this hortipuncture treatment. Okay. Next we will see how to do hortipuncture treatment to any fruit trees. Friends, this is hortipuncture packet. So it included both powder, that is Ayurvedic bhasma, and this medicated bullet into it. Friends, this is what will get inside the packet, that is, this is medicated bullet and this is a Ayurvedic bhasma. Okay. So this bullet you have to insert into the trunk, that is at the depth of 2 inches. Okay. And this bhasma you take shovel, spade and remove the soil that is 3 feet around the tree. Okay, that is of depth 5 to 6 inches. Okay, then what you have to do, you take 1 kg of dung, that is of cow dung or any kind of dung. Okay, and take 4 to 5 liters of water and you mix it properly, and you mix that powder into that slurry and you give around the tree. Okay, you pour that slurry around the tree and just close the soil and keep giving the water. Okay, friends, if you have more number of trees, for those farmers we made a plier in such a way that it involves both, that is a nail tip which is to make a hole, and one more is a bolt which is for hammering purpose. Okay, and for that we took a nail and we removed its tip. Okay, so you can see this. So this is one type, and another one is as you people know, this is hammer and this is another nail. What we did, we removed its head portion. Okay, so that you can hammer, as well as during inserting the bullet you can use this flat portion to push the bullet inside the tree. So friends, this is the procedure of hortipuncture treatment. First, what you have to do, first you have to make 1.5 inches of hole into the trunk of this fruit plant. Then remove the nail with the help of this plier. Then insert this medicated bullet into that hole and shortly slightly hammered on it, and then you take same nail, but this time what you have to do, you reverse it. Okay, you make it reverse and hammer on that medicated bullet so that it insert 2 inches inside of the fruit tree. So that is nothing but you should insert xylem portion of this fruit tree. Okay. Then again remove the nail and then with the help of cow dung you have to pack this hole, or you take wetted mud. You take this wet mud and you pack it. And if it is a tree of branches, then you have to do this treatment below the branches. If it's a coconut tree, you have to do a distance from the bottom, that is 4 to 5 feet upwards. Okay, this is what the procedure of hortipuncture treatment.
Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the upcoming videos.